Buying a house that needs major repairs can be an incredible opportunity to build instant equity if you use the right financing. A renovation loan allows you to combine the purchase price of a home and the cost of repairs into a single mortgage. Instead of paying for a new roof or a kitchen remodel with your own cash, the bank lends you the money based on the home's future value. The FHA 203K loan is a popular choice for primary residences because it offers a low down payment of only 3.5%. If you are looking for more flexibility or want to add luxury items like a swimming pool, the Fannie Mae HomeStyle loan is often the better option. You will need to work with a licensed contractor who provides a detailed bid for all the work before the loan can be officially approved. An appraiser will then determine what the house will be worth once all the planned improvements are finished, which is known as the after-repair value. This powerful strategy lets you turn a neglected property into your dream home without draining your savings account before you even move in.